Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to copy a folder in multiple folders or files that you have stored in a single folder, and you want to copy or make a copy of them on your drive, then this video is for you. In this video I'm going to show you how you can figure it out. Now here, if I right click on this folder, you can see there is no option to copy or paste or cut this option here. One thing you can do is you can cut this website folder from here, and if you want to paste it, you won't be able to cut it. You can use this Ctrl plus X button here to cut it. Here you can see item cut to clipboard. Now if I use Ctrl plus V to paste it, it won't actually work. And if I want to try it to copy with Ctrl plus C button here, then you can see the item is copied to clipboard, but if I want to paste it, then it will show that it is failed or cannot be copied. Also in this three dot button you can find any option that you can help it. So one thing you can do is the alternative way, that is you can download this entire folder. So here is a download icon, or you can simply click on three dot button here and you can find download. Now it will zip the file here, like it will turn this file into a zip file. Here you can see zipping one file. It's takes some time, depends on how much bigger your file is. So when it's completed, then you can find it will start download on your download folder. It will store on your download folder. You can simply click on folder and you can find this has just downloaded here. Now you have to do is simply right click on it, and when you extract it, I'm going to extract this here, extract it all, and here you can see I have just extracted that website file here with the folder here. Now if you want to copy that, then you can do is once you have extracted that, you can all actually paste or drag and drop this exact file on your drive, and here you can find replace existing folder, or I can do is skip both folders, and I'll simply click on upload. Now here you can see it is just uploading. Here you can see the copy folder is just uploaded. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.